This is a real time saver and huge money saver, because what it would take to actually consider all these factors would, well, at first it's almost impossible given the complexity. But even as water systems, as they've communicated to us, have started seeing this, and they'll look at an Esri layer on a map of where the likelihood of lead is, let's say based on predictions from BlueConduit. And they'll look at another layer that shows the presence of children. And then maybe they'll try to overlay them a bit. And then they'll realize that, well, we need to consider the environmental justice index. And then they're trying to kind of put all this together. And then they want to consider income explicitly. But then there's also, they have to now look at a map of their political districts, because they have to take into account some sort of equity across city council members' districts. And you're just looking at different maps and different layers, and to synthesize them, you're really just saying, all right, let's draw this line here we've seen folks do it very much literally on a physical map. But to put all of that data together is just challenging. We've had folks also come to us say, I could do all that, maybe I could do all that, but now I have to think about integrating all of the existing and planned road work and all of that schedule. It's a completely different format, a completely different source of data. There's going to be a massive headache and so many hours of people going line by line through work orders and understanding where is that work happening? Does that interact? Does that cover an area where we were looking at for service lines? And so this is just going to be a huge gain in efficiency.